The name itself has a special connotation to extend life. Right now, the average lifespan of the average person in China is 75. In America, it's approximately 81. And in Andorra, the country of Andorra, it's 85. So the highest longevity or life expectancy of any country in the world today is Andorra. It's not just extending life. What Andorra is trying to achieve is also to improve the quality of life.
There's quality of life and there's quantity of life. Prevention is a key factor for that type of longevity, and where I think Andorra Life plays a key role in helping to improve the quality of life and improve that potential for longevity, both in terms of quantity and quality.
No matter where you are in the world today, everybody's going at a fast pace. And about 15,000 years ago is really when the human diet probably changed. And that was because of the domestication of dogs. We were able to capture meat a lot easier. Prior to that, humans were basically herbivores. We were eating natural supplements, herbs, and fruits and vegetables.
We use certain Ayurvedic medicines that have been clinically proven for thousands of years. Elements like CoQ10, which has existed in all animal tissue since the beginning of time.
Turmeric, which is a substrate or the active ingredient in turmeric, actually blocks a specific molecule that causes inflammation in the body. Inflammation from cancer, inflammation for Alzheimer's, inflammation for dementia.
Our success rates in improving these conditions really should be primarily preventative, as opposed to treating a disease once it's full blown.
Don't we deserve and have the obligation to incorporate that into our own lives to have a high quality of life and actually potentially increase the longevity of that?
You will find inferior versions of all supplements on the market. In those cases, it is absolutely 100% better to just eat the food that has small trace amounts of that element in it, as opposed to taking a supplement that doesn't work and can actually be harmful. We choose ingredients for Andorra Life products that are clinically proven. For instance, our resveratrol is the same exact branded version that was used in the groundbreaking studies by Dr. David Sinclair at Harvard University to prove that resveratrol is an anti-aging miracle worker. Most resveratrol supplements are not 99% trans, which is nature identical. Ours is nature identical.
There are several components that come together, and fortunately, they have some brilliant scientists behind it, doctors behind it, nutritionists behind it, and then taking those compounds, packaging them for specific needs.
Not everyone needs the same products or has the same problems that they're trying to address. It's important for us to educate them on what can help them solve particular problems, whether it's pollution in the air or liver detox or just a basic vitamin C to help immunity.
Our research and development team is constantly investigating, working with scientific professionals, finding the new emerging ingredients that we can use to create the absolute best formulas for our customer base.
They have made a significant commitment to having integrity, not only regarding the research involved in their products, but also in regards to the quality. As a physician, I want to make sure that what that bottle has in it is exactly what's in it, and that there's no impurities or contaminants that can really actually hurt the patient.
Products that are made in America have, for better or for worse, a higher standard of quality of practices that one has to obtain in order to get stamps of approval.
Having a US-based manufacturer that adheres to not only dietary supplement regulations, but also pharmaceutical regulations allows us to put out a product that is far superior to anything that they're going to find in the traditional market.
We make sure that every Andorra Life product is 100% safe for consumption by conducting testing, and then some more testing. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. GMP guidelines are not prescription directions as to how to manufacture the products, but a rather series of principles which need to be followed during manufacturing to make sure that product is safe. Basically, every single ingredient, being active or inactive, gets tested upon receipt. We make sure the material meets supplier specifications. We also conduct micro-testing, which in my opinion is the most important, as it ensures materials haven't been spoiled, moldy, or contaminated by E. coli or salmonella. We also test for heavy metals. We also test batches that have been blended to make sure that everything's been blended properly prior to encapsulating. Once the product has been manufactured, we do visual inspection, physical, and run the product through the high sensitivity metal detectors to make sure that none of the particles from the machines have broken during encapsulation. Then we subject the product to the same barrage of testing: ID, potency, micro and heavy metals, to make sure that there was no deviations during production, and to make sure product meets the label claim 100% at least or more, and above all to make sure that all the Andorra Life products are safe for human consumption.
The products are all natural, they are organic.
Our products are backed by science, science that is easily accessible by the general public. We are giving you the best products. There's no question about it. We put our time, our effort, and our money into making sure you have the best products.